Hi guys, how are you doing? What's new? Just look at the house I bought, it's absolutely stunning. It's incredibly beautiful here. There's even a pool. It's like something out of a fairy tale. It's absolutely amazing here. There are two pools, one in front of the house and another behind it. So you can just sunbathe, relax, and enjoy life. The best part is the location. Look, the ocean is right in front of the house. You just walk down and you're on the beach. It's absolutely perfect. Now I also want to buy a car. Take a look, backyard of my house. There's a pool here, incredibly beautiful. You can relax by the pool with close friends, and enjoy the ocean. As for the car, I'm thinking of getting a sports convertible. I love nice rides, you know? It's cool, the retractable roof and all that. I think I'll go pick one out sometime soon. So all in all, that's how things stand with me, guys. Everything seems to be going well, so keep working and everything will be fine. I wish you all the best and lots of success. See you in the next videos.